This is the second exercise for posture that's really important. The first being, of course, your chin position. The second is being your shoulder position. So a lot of people come in for mid-back pain or shoulder tightness, and it's because these muscles are working at a mechanical disadvantage when we're into a bad position. So posture really comes down to your shoulder blades being in the ideal position, so your rotator cuff and the muscles between your spine and your shoulder blade, they don't have to reach to do their job. So this exercise really is trying just to get into that position as frequently as you can to put everything under the least amount of strain. So the way this should look is that first thing we have to consider is keeping your shoulder blades down. So down as far as you can and then back as far as you can, but as long as that doesn't compromise that down position. So it should look like this: down and back, and you really should be feeling it in between your shoulder blades, a little bit lower down. And again, you should be holding that for about 5 seconds periodically throughout the day. It's a really good habit to get into, and even long after your pain's gone, making sure that your chin and shoulder positions are in a good position are really important. One thing that we really will lead into, and it's really important, is that when you get into this down and back position and we're comfortable in that position, then we start to implement it into activities of daily living. So for instance, if you're doing laundry and you start to notice mid-back tightness, you really should be in that down and back position and still able to do whatever task you're trying to do in that position, so it doesn't put as much strain through the back. So try to use it every day. It'll help.